Hello everyone, this is Zuhra from infosharing360.com. Okay, so today we'll see how to answer an interview question of how do you deal with underperformance, or in other words, how do you deal with an employee who's not performing well. So in reply to this question, we must say something like employees underperform due to several reasons. For example, if an employee has vague expectations regarding goals, targets, or job standards, or other reasons could be if an employee is facing personal issues, then he or she would not perform well. Or other reasons could be if an employee has inadequate training or is not empowered to perform the assigned tasks, then he or she will definitely not perform well. So, firstly, I would speak to the individual myself to get to the bottom of the issue or the problem type. If the issue is related to vague expectations, I'll clearly communicate the required expectations, job standards, clarify KPI targets, and its measurement criteria. For personal issues, I will assist the employee in the form of leaves to sort things out, or if required, I would also engage corporate HR for assistance in this regard. Moreover, if the issue is related to inadequate training or the resource is not empowered enough, then I'll give relevant training and empowerment to the employee so that assigned tasks can be performed properly. Lastly, for other issues, I would put a plan of what I expected of them moving forward and within what timelines. So this is the complete answer. You can select keywords, points, or prepare answer in your own words accordingly. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel InfoSharing 360. Thank you for watching this video.